Hi, this is Sylvia Saber with OpTv Global headlines. Starting with the top international stories for the day.
At least 60 people are feared to have been killed when a bomb struck a village school in eastern Ukraine. US President Joe Biden and other G7 leaders held a video call with Ukrainian President in a show of unity. President Vladimir Putin will lead anniversary celebrations of the Soviet Union's victory over Nazi Germany, but Ukraine is desperate to deny Moscow any sense of military invigoration. Over 40,000 Sikhs vote in secessionist Khalistan referendum in Italy. SFJ Council General said turnout is a clear message to Modi regime that secession of Punjab is inevitable. Israeli forces have arrested 2 Palestinians accused of carrying out a deadly axe attack in the city of Elad. The teenagers were arrested after a massive 4-day manhunt involving special forces and helicopters. Up next, we have the national updates. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has termed Imran Khan's Abbottabad speech a conspiracy against Pakistan. The Premier vowed to take legal action against the PTI chairman. The Pakistan Armed Forces have condemned the spread of unsubstantiated and defamatory statements and remarks against them. The military's media wing ISPR asked not to drag military into politics. The Federal Investigation Agency has warned Pakistani expats against posting offensive content on social media. Spokesperson said red notices through Interpol can be issued against them for their arrest. Government has decided to make MQM Pakistan's Nasreen Jaleel Sindh governor. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has sent the summary for Jaleel's appointment. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has directed to take emergency measures to save people's life from the glacial lake outburst flood from Shispur Glacier in Gilgit-Baltistan. A severe heat wave is likely to grip Sindh from May 11th and could last till May 16th. Mercury could touch 50 centigrade in some parts of province and could exceed 40 degrees centigrade in Karachi.
We have expanded our clinics from one small clinic to 7 community clinics across the greater Houston and Port Arthur areas.
My name is Dr. Spencer Wood, and our goal is to provide high-quality, affordable care for the community.
Ibn Sina में प्राइमरी केयर डॉक्टर्स के अलावा बहुत सारे स्पेशलिस्ट भी अवेलेबल है, जैसे कि कार्डियोलॉजी, डर्मेटोलॉजी, साइकेट्री, पोडाइट्री, न्यूरोलॉजी, नेफ्रोलॉजी और दीगर स्पेशलिस्ट मौजूद है जो आपकी सेहत की टेक केयर कर सकते हैं.
We are providing services like preventive care, including exams and dental cleanings.
Counseling and psychotherapy. If medicine taken properly can give a good life.
इब्न सीना की सर्विसेज जो मेडिकल सर्विसेज से शुरू हुई थी वो एक्सपेंड हुई मेडिकल, डेंटल, डायग्नोस्टिक, स्पेशलिटी केयर एंड मेंटल हेल्थ सर्विसेज. हमने स्पेशली मेंटल हेल्थ सर्विसेज सिंस लास्ट 1 ईयर से एक्सपेंड की है.
Cabba Fusion is a pharmacist-owned, patient-focused team of professionals with over 30 years' experience providing intravenous medication to pediatric and adult patients in the comfort and safety of their own home. Founded by Dr. Sohail Masood, a pioneer in the home infusion industry and recipient of Ernst & Young's Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Cabba Fusion has 28 state-of-the-art compounding pharmacies across the country with service capabilities nationwide. Specializing in IVIG, SCIG, and acute therapies, our highly skilled infusion nurses are present throughout your treatment and our clinicians are on call 24 hours a day. Please visit us at cabbafusion.com for more information.
Up next, we have the health updates. Climate change will result in thousands of new viruses spread among animal species by 2070. Climate change also likely to increase the risk of emerging infectious diseases jumping from animals to humans in Africa and Asia. An alarming increase in thalassemia cases has been witnessed in Balochistan province of Pakistan. Data shows 1 lakh children are suffering from this disease in Pakistan at present. Up next, we have the updates on science and technology. Historic and extreme weather conditions could fan a wildfire in New Mexico this week. Hermit's Peak fire has been burning for more than a month and is the second biggest fire in the US state. Up next, we have the sports updates. Pakistan's ace equestrian Usman Khan has qualified for Asian Games 22 to 23. Usman has partnered with a new 7-year-old French horse. Russian climber becomes the first reported death of a foreigner on the Mount Everest. The Russian climber fell sick at Camp 2 and died after being brought to the Camp 1. Up next, we have the entertainment updates. Bollywood's Farhan Akhtar announced that he will be making guest appearance in Miss Marvel. Details about his character are still under wraps. Pakistani singer Ali Sethi and Shaygil's Basuri has cemented its status as the Song of the Year in Pakistan. The Coke Studios song hits 100 million views on YouTube. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness becomes biggest opener of 2022. The superhero extravaganza grossed an estimated $185 million in ticket sales in its first weekend in US and Canadian theaters. Up next, we have the business updates. Pakistani Rupee has come under a strong spell of depreciation as the currency lost 1.07 rupees during early trade. The dollar was being quoted around 187.7. Pakistani banks have extended record loans to the private sector in the first 10 months of the current fiscal year. The private sector borrowed rupees 1,235.5 billion rupees in the current fiscal year.
Cabba Fusion is a pharmacist-owned, patient-focused team of professionals with over 30 years' experience providing intravenous medication to pediatric and adult patients in the comfort and safety of their own home. Founded by Dr. Sohail Masood, a pioneer in the home infusion industry and recipient of Ernst & Young's Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Cabba Fusion has 28 state-of-the-art compounding pharmacies across the country with service capabilities nationwide. Specializing in IVIG, SCIG, and acute therapies, our highly skilled infusion nurses are present throughout your treatment and our clinicians are on call 24 hours a day. Please visit us at cabbafusion.com for more information.